How to download Instagram Lite on Android. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily download Instagram Lite on your device. If you guys didn't know, Instagram Lite is a lightweight version of the official Instagram app designed for users with limited data, slow internet connections, or low-end smartphones. It's a smaller, faster version of the main Instagram app developed by Meta, and it's also available on Android, not typically on iOS, but you could still work around your way to get it on iOS as well. And it's designed to use less storage, RAM, and mobile data. Now, first go to your Google Play Store and tap on the search bar. Simply search for Instagram Lite and hit enter. Now you'll officially see the Lite version of the app. It has over 500 million plus downloads and pretty decent review. All you have to do is tap on this big install button to download it on the app. It doesn't even take that much space. It's just 3.1 megabytes, which is like literally a size of a photo. Now once you've installed it, just tap on open. And now you can successfully log into the app from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.